What's up, bomb ass subscriber squad? What's going on? How y'all do? How y'all doing? What y'all doing? Girl, today, guys, we are going to be unboxing my girl BoxyLuxe. Yes. I always am excited when I get my BoxyLuxe. I love to see what I get because I know the value is so high in this box, and I'm just so excited. So guys, if you want to see what's inside of my BoxyLuxe for September, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. I'm not sure what's going on with BoxyCharm and their shipping. It was very strange this time. I got an email saying that my box was on the way, and then when I hit the tracking, it was like the post office, UPS, FedEx. I didn't know where my package was coming from. It did not update at all, really, and then boom, it popped up. Girl, I'm like, really, BoxyCharm? I don't know. I just don't understand companies and their ship. I just didn't know what to do or when I was going to be able to film this. And now I see there's so many BoxyLuxe unboxings that it's like, y'all should have sent my box earlier. But anywho, I am excited to see what I got. I know that I did pick one item in this box, and I want to know if I got it because I've been watching other people's videos. Although I did not get an email, I'm assuming my box must be right, but a lot of people received emails saying, oh, what you chose we did not put in the box, so they're going to send it to them just to kind of make it right, which I think is a kind gesture, you know. So at least they're trying to make it right. And I think they also get 500 charms. So I think just for, you know, my stress of waiting for my package, I should get like 500 too. What y'all think? I'm sure ask BoxyCharm if they're gonna do that. They probably won't. Anyway, guys, let's get on into this unboxing because this is a lot of products, and I'm not doing a try on because this is my face from the Ipsy Glam Plus, and I love it. I did change the lipstick to a nice darker fall color that makes my mouth look. I'm feeling good today, y'all. I'm off 2 days. Ooh, but well, when I put this out, I'll be back at work, but I was off Monday and Tuesday. So for you guys that do not know, BoxyLuxe is the mother to the baby box, and you get it every 3 months, and it's $49.99 every 3 months. And you get makeup, hair care, skincare. It's a variety of items that you do get in the box. First, it started off with like 10 items a month, then it went down to 9. I think this month we only got 8. So I mean, BoxyCharm, boo, $50. I expect 9 to 10 products. Honestly, that's just me. I mean, I'm paying $50. I expect at least 9 products. I don't want it going down every month to, you know, I could just keep the regular box for all of that. You know what I mean? Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with that or not. But yeah, guys, so if you guys want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I will put the link down below. You just press it and go on subscribe. And while you're subscribing to BoxyCharm, you might as well jump on this bandwagon and subscribe to your girl. Come on and be a part of this party, this bomb ass subscriber squad. Girl, we have fun over here. We have some real good conversations, which I may be trying to start another channel, y'all. More of like in-depth talking, like personal stuff. I don't know. I'm sure thinking about it because I think I love the way I interact with my people. I think, you know, if we had like an in-depth session where we just talking about all kind of stuff, girl, I think that'd be fun. Giving me advice, I give y'all advice. We may do like an Ask TonyaNicole channel. Girl, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Oh, I've done too much rambling, y'all. I'm amped up. I'm just pumped. So let's go on and get into this unboxing. I have not opened my box yet, guys. The post office kicked the shit out of it. Look at it. It's all banged up per usual. So let's get on to cutting this box and seeing what we got. Are you guys ready? Ooh, oh, where's my black foam? Okay, so this is what the top of the box looks like. It says here, BoxyCharm, and in the inside, and they have bubble wrap instead of my foam. I don't know what that's about. Ugh. And these are what the contents look like on the inside. We're gonna set this big baby down and go to work. It does come with the card, guys, and this month the theme is all access right here. On the back, It gives us all of the products we have for this month, including the retail prices. And I have variation 7L. There we go. Up first, I am seeing this Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask, Hydrobionic. And this is what the box is looking like. I apologize for the glare, guys. Oh, this little bitty bottle. You get 1.7 ounces of product in it. And this is what the bottle looks like here. And it's really tiny, like it's small. So there you go, guys. And let's see what it says about this little product here. And this is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobionic Recovery Sleeping Mask, a hydrating recovery mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothes the signs of irritation. And this retails for $52. Now, I don't have any redness on my skin, or well, sometimes I have irritation. So I may use this, or I may just put this in a giveaway. I'm not sure yet. It does have a safety seal, so we will not be opening this up, guys. But $52 for this. Ooh, girl, that's kind of pricey, huh? Up next, we have from IGK this Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. This is a leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh your hair down. You have dry, coarse, frizzy hair, and you want smooth, soft, hydrated hair. You'll get this if you apply it to damp or dry hair, and let it air dry. And this is what the product is looking like, guys, like this. This is a lot of product. You get 5 fluid ounces of product in here. And let's see what this retails for. I don't know how I feel about getting hair products. This I could use on my wigs because y'all know I like to keep my wigs hydrated. I don't know though about this. Let me see. Oh, it has no safety seal. Oh, but it smells good. I'm gonna take a little bit out and rub it on the back of my hand and see. Oh, it feels kind of watery but hydrating. I don't know. I hope this won't weigh my hair down because I don't want my hair looking like no greasy mess. So yeah. It's, ooh, girl, but it smells really good. Ooh, okay. I might be okay with this. I'm gonna let you guys know. But this right here, let's see what it says. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. And this retails for $29, guys. Up next, I am seeing from Violet Voss, this Essentials Pro Series palette here. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. I don't want to blind y'all. And let's open her up. She does come with the mirror. And this is what the palette looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this 100 times. You have some shimmer shades and some matte shades, which is a nice combination. This black here is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Let's just swatch a couple of them and see. Oh, they feel nice though. This is what they're looking like on my fingertips. This green color is gorgeous. And that's how they swatched out, guys. So yeah, it's very pretty. It swatches out nice. So I'm excited to use that. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $29, guys. Up next, I'm seeing from Tarte, and this was an item that I did choose because I did not get the very first BoxyLuxe, and I saw this palette and I wanted to try it out. Yeah, you could pick from this one. I think they had like a Too Faced palette, which they didn't give me the option for because I would have picked that one. And another palette, I don't really remember, guys, but this is what it looks like. I would try to find a picture of the other three, of the 3 of them total, and try to insert it somewhere so that you guys can see the other 2 you could have picked from. But this is what the outside packaging is looking like. And y'all, it's a beautiful, beautiful palette. From past videos, I did see this palette and it looked dark enough to me. Oh, it comes with a little card thing. Ooh, girl, this is like somebody's pocketbook, huh? It's like a purse. I could put a strap on this or just carry this under my arm when I'm going out and people think that's my little clutch. Girl, this is beautiful packaging. Look at that, guys. This is gorgeous. Ooh, girl. I hope the shades will work for me. Oh. It does smell really good, and this is the palette, guys. I don't know if that's gonna work for me, y'all. I really don't. Like, ooh, I don't know. They look kind of light, especially this is the darkest shade. It looks kind of like, but we do have like a yellow powder in here. I could probably do under my eye. Maybe it'll be like a good topper for my on top of my contour. I don't know. This might be a little too light for me, and I'm very disappointed. I will try and play around with it. If not, I will give it to one of my family members, or I'll just keep it as a clutch, baby, and wear it like that, and people think it's a purse. I don't know. But and this Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette retails for $45. Up next, I am seeing another, oh wait, I did pick a few of these items. Okay, good. So I remember now that I did pick this. You had to choose between this, which is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Bright Serum, and the Sunday Riley Water Enzyme Cream. Well, I got a little sample of that in my Ipsy, so I said, I want to see what this is about. So yes, I'm excited to get this, guys. That's the outside packaging, and it's a glow serum. Oh Lord, it's that glass skin stuff. I don't know if I like that. It has pineapple juice, vitamin C, chamomile, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E in here. I still will try it and see if it works for me, guys. Again, they give you this big, huge box, okay? And I'm thinking my product gonna be huge. Girl, look at this little bitty thing. I'm gonna assume a little goes a long way with this, guys. And you get in here, let me look on the box. 1 fluid ounce of product in here. It's a gorgeous color though. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells just like amaretto and pineapple juice. Girl, I might have to drink this. I don't know. Oh, girl, it smells like liquor. What is BoxyCharm doing? Girl, this smells good. Now I'm gonna have to go to the daiquiri shop and get me an amaretto and pineapple daiquiri today. Oh yes, baby. Let's see what it says about this, guys. I'm sorry. So this is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum, and it retails for $49, guys. Yes, this is nice. I can't wait to use this, y'all. So up next we have from Stila, the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rubano? I don't know what that means. But this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys, right there. And let's take it out. Ooh, okay, she is very, very, very pretty. Deep, perfect for fall. Let's give her a little swatch. Ooh, girls, can y'all see that? Boys, can y'all see that? Look at that color, y'all. Gorgeous. Okay. Okay, I like that, y'all. I like it. Looks like blood. I love that. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. And, oh, this is going to give you the power pout. I likes that. And this retails, guys, for $22. So is this like a matte lipstick? Let's see. It is a creamy matte lipstick, yes. Up next, we have from Hank & Henry, this Blickety Black, yeah, long wear liquid eyeliner, and this is what it is looking like, guys, all right there. I'm not gonna open this because I have a lot of liquid liners that I am using right now, but it does have, y'all hear that? I love that little noise. It's like a spray can. I'm not gonna open this because I do have a lot of eyeliners that are open right now, and I want to go through some of those before I open up a new one. But I do love the packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys, and I have heard really good things about Hank & Henry, so I'm hoping that this will, you know, go on smooth and be long lasting and super black and matte. So yeah, if y'all used this product before, please let me know down in the comments what you thought about this product. Please, 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 and thank you. This retails for $20, guys, so y'all will be seeing this in an upcoming video from me. And last but not least, the thing that I am excited for. So they gave you the option to choose from some Moda brushes, face brushes and eye brushes, or a curling wand. Now, I want to see how much my subscribers know me to know what I would choose. I'm gonna give y'all a minute to put it down in the comments before I say what I got. Okay, that's enough. Time's up. Okay, guys, so believe it or not, I chose the curling wand, y'all. I know y'all probably thought I chose those brushes, but listen to me. Y'all, this thing and all this hair I be wearing on these wigs, babe, I need something that can handle my hair and give me a flawless beach curl. I mean, it's just, look at that. It's just dead. It needs a little curl. I think this thing right here gonna help it, y'all. What y'all think? Let's open it. So it comes like this in this beautiful bag. I know a lot of people did not want this, but I did. I really did. Okay. Y'all, now. This looks a little, I don't know, it's just so black and long, and this is, y'all, and my head is in the gutter. I'm so sorry, but it looks like a dildo or something. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. If you have your kids watching me, mute that part. Okay, so this is the curling wand here. And how many inches is? Okay, it's 1 1/4 inch, and it's nice, black, sleek. I cannot wait to take my hair and roll it on there. And boom, give me that curl. Girl, this is gonna be some sexy beach hair. It has a little on and off switch here. And it's really nice, guys, it is. And it comes with this little cord right there. And this retails for $65. Now, it doesn't even really feel too heavy. I don't know about $65, but I'm happy to get this. I know y'all thought I was gonna pick the brushes. I wanted to, but I just wanted to try something different, guys. So I wanted this, okay? Okay, guys, so that was my final product in my BoxyLuxe for the month of September. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts. I'm gonna give you guys my rating. We'll be done. Okay, so we received from IGK this Mistress Hydrating Balm here. We received from Glow Recipe this Pineapple Bright Serum. From Hank and Henry this liquid eyeliner here. From Stila this liquid lipstick. From Dr. Brandt this Sleeping Recovery Mask. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my chest now. From Tarte this Park Avenue Princess Palette. From Violet Voss these Essential Palette here. And last but not least, from Sutra this clipless curling iron here. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is I think that this BoxyLuxe was a good BoxyLuxe. I'm not as enthused and excited as I was over my last month's BoxyLuxe, but I think it's a pretty decent box for the month. I did get a lot of products that I will get some use out of, like this hair balm, the lipstick, the eyeliner, the pineapple Glow Recipe, the curling wand. I'm hoping that the Tarte palette will work for me, and I'm gonna try that Violet Voss palette because they actually swatched out really pretty. So I will get use out of about 6 or 7 of the 8 products. So I think that's a really, really, really good box. So yeah, I'm pleased with my BoxyLuxe for this month, guys. I know you guys thought I was gonna get the brushes, but I wanted to fool y'all and see if y'all really knew me. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is trash, boo, why would they send me this? To 5 being this box is the bomb.com with 2 little lighter things on it and go boom, I'm gonna give BoxyLuxe for this month a whopping 4 to 4.5. Yes, guys, I really, really, really enjoyed my box this month. So far, Ipsy did good. Now BoxyLuxe is doing good. Girl. Look, I'm very excited to introduce 2 new boxes to the channel and get you guys' thoughts on those boxes. I am very happy with today's boxes. Let me know your comments down below of what you thought about BoxyLuxe for this month. Do you get BoxyLuxe or did you get the regular BoxyCharm? I want to know what you guys received. I want to know what your rating is on your box. I'm a little sweaty. Let me know that down in the comments down below. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl if you're not already. Become part of the Bomb Ass Subscriber Squad. Yeah. Follow me on social media. All of my links are down below. I'm most active on Instagram. And that's all that I have, guys. So, yeah. That's all, baby. Until next time in the next video, I love you guys so, so, so much. You guys be blessed. Much love. Peace.